So today I will tell you the uses of Covamp. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdurrafe. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Before telling you its uses, I would like to give you an introduction of this medicine. So let's start. Its brand name is Covamp and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredients are amlodipine and valsartan. Amlodipine is here as 5 mg and valsartan here it is in 80 mg. Amlodipine and valsartan are antihypertensive agents. They are used here as a combination in the Covamp tablets. These are 14 tablets and its manufacturer is Gets Pharma. So I'm taking out its leaflet. So this is the leaflet of this medicine. So now let's discuss its uses. It is indicated for the treatment of hypertension. It decreases the blood pressure and control it, and it is also used in patients whose blood pressure is not adequately controlled on either monotherapy, means those patients which blood pressure is not controlled by single medicine, they are given this medicine to control their BP. It is also given to patients who are likely to be need multiple drugs to achieve their blood pressure goals. In this they are saying that this medicine is indicated for those people or those patients also who need more than one medicine to control their blood pressure according to their goal. Here they are saying goals. Why? Because some have a BP blood pressure chart who have goals. We do not decrease blood pressure suddenly. We need to control them slowly, gradually. So we make goals that from this date to this it should be below this or it should be controlled to this blood pressure. So for this you can also use this medicine. It is a very good and effective medicine, but this is a medicine. It also has side effects and also dangerous side effects too, so you have to use it very carefully. Do not self medicate yourself. Okay, the purpose of telling you the uses is that you know that why this medicine is used and why it is being prescribed to you. Okay, now let's talk about whether we should use it in pregnancy and in breastfeeding or not. So let's go to that part. Here you can see that they are saying that this medicine is not recommended to be used in pregnant women and in during breastfeeding because it has side effects on fetus and it is not good. We can use alternative medicines instead of this medicine because it is not recommended in this condition. And you can also see here that as it contains valsartan, so they are also saying that angiotensin 2 receptor antagonist should not be initiated during pregnancy. So that's why we should not use it in pregnancy and breastfeeding. Okay, I have also made a separate video on its side effects too. If you want to know its side effects, you can also click the card or you can visit the description and you can watch from there too. So that's for today. For more detail about its medicine, its drug-drug interactions, contraindications, and whether it is good for your case or not, so for all of the details, you can consult your pharmacist for it and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, so that's for today. Take care. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine, please write in the comment section. And if you want to buy this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. I will supply you too. And tell me, do you like the video? And if you have any suggestion, please also write in the comment section. And now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care and Pakistan Zindabad.